In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade Shopify to GA4. If you're running an online store on Shopify, it's crucial to ensure that your analytics are up to date. And Google Analytics 4, or GA4, is the latest and greatest in tracking technology. So let's dive into the process of upgrading your Shopify store to GA4. First things first, you need to head over to the Shopify App Store. This is your one-stop shop for all things apps related to your Shopify store, and this is where we'll begin our upgrade journey. It's a straightforward process, so don't worry if you're not tech savvy, I'm here to guide you through it. Once you're on the Shopify App Store, you'll want to use the search bar, which is typically located at the top of the page. Type in Google and YouTube. This search will bring up the relevant app that you'll need to install or upgrade to get your Google Analytics 4 set up. It's important to make sure you're selecting the correct app, so keep an eye out for the one that handles both Google and YouTube integrations. After you've typed in Google and YouTube, you'll see a list of search results. What you're looking for is the app that's simply labeled as Google and YouTube. Click on it to open the app's page. The app page will provide you with more detailed information about what the app does and how it can benefit your store by integrating with Google Analytics 4. Next, you'll need to install or upgrade the app if you already have it installed. On the app's page, there should be a button that says either Install or Upgrade. Click on that button to proceed. If you're installing it for the first time, you'll need to follow the prompts to authorize the app to access your Shopify store. This is a standard procedure, and it's necessary to allow the app to do its job efficiently. If you're upgrading, the process might be even simpler, as the app will likely guide you through updating to the latest version. Either way, make sure to carefully follow any on-screen instructions to ensure that everything is set up correctly. And that's it. You've successfully upgraded your Shopify store to use Google Analytics 4. This powerful analytics tool will provide you with deeper insights into your customer behavior, helping you make more informed decisions to grow your business. Remember, keeping your analytics up to date is crucial for staying competitive in the e-commerce space. Thank you for following along with today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks. Happy selling!